Now, if you've taken away the pad and the tape and the client can't open their eyes, it might be that one of the lashes from the bottom lashes is stuck to the lash extension. So you're going to have to get your two tweezers. Now you need your isolating tweezers and your normal tweezers. You're going to pull back on the eyelid and find where the extension and the bottom lash are stuck together. You're going to get your two tweezers. You're going to grab the extension and then you're going to look for that bottom lash that's stuck and you're going to prise it apart really, really gently. You don't want to cause too much eye watering. So pull back, find where it's stuck, grab the eyelash extension, and then you're going to grab the bottom lash with the other tweezers and gently prise it apart. So here we've got a hold of the eyelash extension that's stuck to the bottom lash, and we're going to use the isolating tweezers and push down. We're going to grab the bottom lash first and then just push down gently until we separate the two lashes. You can use a tiny bit of lash remover here if you want, but you run the risk of that extension coming out as well. So if you just gently pull them apart and then pressing down on the actual eyelid to pull the lashes towards you, using the tweezers then to separate the bottom lashes from the top lashes, that should make sure that she's able to open her eye carefully. Now brush through and you're done.